our coffees. I'm in the HEB parking lot. It is cold as hell out there, and there's no way I'm gonna get out there in the rain and the freezing frigidness. But I got my Starbucks, and you knows I love my Starbucks. I got the usual because I never get anything different. Why would I? Because this is what I like, okay? Grande latte, coconut milk, and 2 sugars. I love it. It's so delicioso. And then Bag & Scott, venti cappuccino, non-fat milk with a Splenda. And he had to go get the logs. Oh, we're getting logs for the fireplace because, hello, it's Texas. When it's any inkling of coldness, we have to have our fireplace because we love it. And Sophia Maria's here with her mama, waiting for her papa to come back. This parking lot is actually extremely aggressive. The people were like honking at us because we were waiting for this parking space to open, but it's like a chillax, people.
Because the first log you see here did not catch for some reason. Probably the first time in the history of fire logs, but I got that on the other one.
I'm watching, what is it, old episodes of Mob Wives, and these bitches be cray. I love ratchet reality shows. It's the best. I'm making dinner. I have fat-free corn tortilla chips. I just put it in there for $450 or $400 for 10 minutes or so. And then I'm making beans, black beans, and brown rice in here, heating it up. What I do is I put like most of it in there, and then I eat the rest right out of the can while I'm waiting because I'm a little fatty, and I can't wait for it to be done. And then I get whatever spices like we have in here. I have this Spanish rice. Actually, I used this the other day and it was perfect. Fancy like chili powder and that combined, and it was so good. So I'll be doing that again. So let's go see what Sir Baggins is doing. So dark. This is the man cave, and he's sorting bills and you can't see him because it's like a dark theater.
Bills and getting ready for what? Tax season.
We have not done a damn thing today. Just the way I like it. I was gonna watch The Shining. I think I'm gonna do it tonight. But I will go be visiting Bubby in a bit. He lives down the street from us. He's so cute. And I'm gonna add some of this. I hate cooking, so I don't measure anything. I just stick whatever in there and hopefully it comes out good. Either way, I'm gonna eat it. So good. I'm the queen of salt, which is bad, but I love that too. Oh, then I have waka because I love avocado. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. I'm gonna add a little bit of water because it's kind of dry. Okay. This is so good. Okay. And these, not ready yet. The finished product. Crispy chips. A heap of mess here, but it's so delicious. And these are actually 4 tortillas because I'm Hungry Bear today. And once it starts looking like a pig trough food, it's done. I'm gonna go eat it. Bye. Oh, I forgot to say that, right? When I'm eating, I put nutritional yeast. It's a cheese substitute. And I put it all over the beans, and it's so yummy and tasty. All right, I'm gonna go enjoy it. Put about 5 cups of this in it as well. Okay, everybody, it's Luke's bath time, and he loves it. Hi, Lukey. Say hi. His favorite part of the day. All right, this is the creation.
You like my collar?
So good.
Romy?
Aww, cousins.
It's better now.
Good boy.
I scooped everything up.
We have salad later. We have those prepared salads. Little Caesar salads.
What's that up there?
We have salmon. Pepperoni.
Oh. Hello.
Hi, precious.
Don't look at myself. Look at the hole. The hole. And look at this beauty queen. And the schmammers.
Hi, precious. Yes, it's your grandma. It's your grandma loves you. Yes, she does.
Yay! Where's your cousin? Oh, that's a great
Maybe they have to go back to school.